Hello, welcome back to my channel. I've now moved to a new house and I'm in my new room and I'm going to do a tutorial here. Today I'm doing an Easter makeup tutorial. I already have my foundation and contacts on, and let's begin. I'm starting with the Wanderlust palette, and first shade I'm going to go into is going to be this base shade right here, which is called Tranquil. I'm going to use this fluffy brush. I'm going to carefully pat that down all over the brow bone and crease area to create a smooth base for blending. And now I'm going to take a crease brush, so like this, and I'm going to go into this dark pink shade called Go Girl. I'm going to do that all over my crease area. Just building it up until the color is as pigmented as I want it to be. And again, keep blending that shade together. Move my bangs out of the way maybe. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. It should look something like that. Now I'm going to go into Regal, which is a purple shade right here. I'm going to go deeper into the crease with that using the same brush. So tilt the head back and just graze that crease. And adds the same color into the outer corner as well. You keep building and building and building that color. Repeating the same process on the other eye. I'm going to go back into the pink shade and add more of that, just wiping off the excess from my hand. You can do that on a paper towel or a towel or whatever. I'm going to go back to this shade and go right back into the crease. And continue blending. And now, I'm going to take a fluffier brush, like this one, and I'm going to go back into that base shade that we used before, Tranquil, this one right here. I'm going to blend out the edges with pink to soften it up a little bit. Just blend and blend. Now that I've done that, I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to pack on a little bit of this shade onto my eyelids. This is a soft gold shade called Chill. I'm only doing that on the inner half of the eyelid, stopping right where I put that purple, and gently blending the two colors together. Sorry that I sound a little bit stuffed up. I've been sick recently with a bit of a cold. So, I apologize. My voice is not as clear as usual. Now I'm going to do the same on the lower eyelid using my finger. Might want to use a small brush for this. So it should look something like that. So now I'm going to take this kind of flat brush. I want to use Illusion in the inner corner, which is this white shade. I'm going to use that same color on the brow bone as well. and on the brown. And now for the lower eyelid, I want to go back into Gravity, which is this kind of holographic iridescent shade. And I'm going to go all over the lower eyelid with that, stopping at the outer corner. This is a beautiful shade, very shimmery. It complements the rest of the color as well. And now, on the lower eyelid, I'm going to take the same crease brush I used before and use the pink and blend that onto the outer third of my lower eyelid, connecting it to the top. And down both sides. And now I'm going to go into Purple Regal, this one, and I'm going to go a little bit closer to the eyelashes, and then blend as well. Should look something like that. Alright, so now that you've basically finished the eyelid work, I'm going to take a white eye pencil, NYX Jumbo Pencil Milk, and line my waterline. Like that. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use, where's my black eye pencil? Black kohl pencil from Wet n Wild. I'm going to line the outer third of my top lash line and do a downward swoop and do the bottom lash line. Like that. So it should look something like that. Now I'm going to do some mascara. And for that, I'm going to use my same black mascara from Jordana as always. And I'm going to pack that onto my upper and lower lashes. Like that. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to go into the Miss Fabulous palette and use the shade Lewis in my eyebrows using an angled brush. Then I'm going to fill them into kind of a straight shape. Oops, I accidentally got from there. Oops. Do the same on the other eyebrow. Maybe once all my room is set up, I'll do a room tour, but right now, there's just boxes everywhere. So for the cheeks, I'm going to go into, first, Too Faced Sweetheart Blush in Sparkling Bellini. I'm going to use a big blush brush from Eco Tools, and I'm going to pat this on right here, kind of on the upper cheekbone, and blend it well. Put the same on the tip of my nose. And once that's all on, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula blush in the shade Rose, and I'm going to pat this on closer to the eye, but in the same general area. And on the nose as well. So like that. Now, I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use a fan brush, and I'm going into the Natural Nude Shimmer palette kind of thing by Physicians Formula. I'm mixing the two rows of lighter shades together. I'm going to pop that right into the top of my cheekbones. And on the tip of my nose. And on a little bit on the chin. And a little more on the cheekbones. This highlight is very good. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I'll put some on my upper lip, right here. I also moisturize my lips beforehand as well. So it should look like this so far. Now it's time to do the lips. And for the lips, I'm going to first block them out using a little bit of foundation. This is just the foundation I use by Jordana, and their lightest shade, which is still a little too dark for me. And I'll blend that out with a sponge. I'm going to go into the inner part of my lip with this lip crayon by Jordana in a red shade. So it should look like that. Now it's time for some lip gloss. And for that, I'm going to use this red lip gloss by Burt's Bees in the shade Pucker. And I'm going to put this right on my lips. Just a little bit. I think that is done. So now I'm going to comb my bangs. And that's the finished look. This is your Easter makeup look. You could use it really any time of the year, but I really like this for Easter. It's very pretty, very bright, very perfect for spring. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you try it out for yourself. And if you do, tag me on Instagram at CandyCloneCosplay, or just comment down below and let me know what you think. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!